There are big plans for Muskegon's federal pandemic relief dollars, and they could dramatically improve the situation for hundreds of children and teens experiencing homelessness or going through difficult times. A hearing got underway just about an hour ago at City Hall that is going to make building up those resources a priority. 13 on your side's Charlie Tinker has all the details.
800 children who don't have a home to call their own in Muskegon County that are in school.
In many cases, often with no safety net to catch their fall.
That is troubling. It's astounding.
Community and Neighborhood Services Director Oneata Bailey knows help can be tough to find.
Right now, our resources are zero for our youth.
Which is why Bailey believes plans to resurrect resources that hit the cutting room floor years ago could be a source of fresh hope for often underserved children and teens.
Resources, mental health, just the whole gamut of education and jobs.
Webster House once served as a resource for homeless, runaway, and at-risk teens. The facility was dissolved in the mid-2010s after a funding crisis.
Whatever the dynamics of the household, youth had somewhere that they knew they could go overnight.
There are also plans to bring back Child Haven for younger kids not immediately placed with families. The former temporary home for abused or neglected children closed when a pipe burst inside its rented Terrace Street building almost a decade earlier.
They could go and be cared for until things could be smoothed out.
The building blocks come from $1.2 million in federal pandemic relief dollars appropriated through an American Rescue Plan block grant known as the Home Investment Partnerships Program. A program specifically geared to find solutions for those caught up in the post-pandemic housing crunch.
We're also trying to assist with our continuum of care and providing some rental assistance, not funding, but housing units.
The ARP money, which has yet to be released, will cover the initial costs. The city plans to sustain the program in the long term, in part with grant funding.
It's enough to make a difference, and it's enough to start.
Tuesday's hearing is mainly another chance to hear from locals and tailor those plans since the push for public input launched late last year. In Muskegon, Charlie Tinker, 13 on your side.